Hello, my name is Revant, and I have done my master's in pharmacy, and I am from Goa. And I just wanted to say few things like, I've done my master's in pharmacy, and I was working with Abbott India Limited. It's an pharmaceutical manufacturing plant. I was working in the quality assurance department. After I was working with that for a 1 year, I thought I should do something new and I should do something innovative. And I thought I should give a chance that something would help me to gain more perspective and have a growth and challenging roles in my life. So I decided to do clinical research course, and I was moreover interested with pharmacovigilance. ACRI, Avignon Clinical Research Institute, is one of the finest institutes that I have found. I consider myself so lucky that they have given me an opportunity to learn many things here, and the faculty are too good and they help you to the core. And even with the placements, they're extremely good. And because of ACRI today, I have got a better placement and I'm doing well. I have been placed at Freers Healthcare Limited. It is in Banelkata Road, and I have been selected for pharmacovigilance department with a decent package. I consider myself very lucky because pharmacovigilance and clinical research is a stream where someone or any person can learn many new things, and a clinical research as of is dealing with new molecules and new drug substances. So clinical research is nothing but a journey of research daily basis. So whoever is listening to my video or watching my video, I would say that please, you can do clinical research if you want to have a better future. No doubt other industries are also very nice, but clinical research is one of the industry where you get lot of opportunities and you can learn many new things because it's still emerging and growing sector in India especially, and it will be keep on growing day by day. It will be keep on growing a lot. But in case of an established pharmaceutical industry as such, you cannot do so many innovative ideas. But yes, there are also a lot of scope in that also. But there is no so much of advancement that you can see in case of clinical research compared to the pharmaceuticals. The clinical research is the best, and anyone can get motivated looking at the clinical research modules. And I would request whoever is seeing my video that please join a clinical research course, and you can do many things in life. And coming to tell about the institute, the Avignon Clinical Research Institute, which is placed in JP Nagar in Bangalore, they have given me immense knowledge. The faculty are so good, and they are available all the time. From morning till evening they are available, and even in the off timings of the office they are available through mails, and they are available to phones, and they are very accessible. The staff are very friendly, they are very helpful, and even they tell you how to talk, how to how to face the HR, how and technically how do you talk, and everything, including the group discussion, the role plays, everything is covered here. And they build so much of confidence within the candidate, and they group the candidate so well that a person who is not so capable also, they make him capable so much that he can face any type of interview. And coming to see that even all the notes and all are put on server, and everyone can just take it from the server, they can copy it from the server, and they can access from the laptops. And even there is e-learning, the internet learning, where you have a user ID and a password which is given by them, and you can access the notes online 24 by 7, 365 days. So after all this also, if a candidate is having any query, the faculty is always available, and the students are welcome with n number of questions, and the faculty are ready to answer the questions. And I would say that Agri is very good institute, and Agri has given me immense knowledge, and they have guided me very well. And I thank Agri for everything that they have given me till today, including a placement that has been given. And to last but not the least, to just tell, the placement section also is immensely good. The placement officer, Miss Manisha, has helped me a lot by talking to different companies and sending candidates to different interviews. And I am one of the candidate who went for 3 interviews, and I am almost done with all the 3 interviews, and I have selected the best out of the 3. So Acri has given me the best options and wide options in clinical research, and they have understood my path. They have understood my potential. What can I do? And according to that, they have sent me for the interview. And the interviewer also felt I have a lot of potential in the clinical research industry, and which is guided, and in immense knowledge that has been given is only through Acri team. So I say the last but not the least, Acri is a very good institute, and Acri rocks. And whoever is listening to my video, or seeing my video, please, you can anytime come here, join the course, talk to the management team and the faculty team. They're always available. You can join the course, and they would help you with the best, and they have the best placements ever. And they are also even dealing up with new companies, and in future I would see Acri growing ahead a lot, and I appreciate for all the hard work that they have given me. Thank you so much.